Recently, Topaz launched version 7.0 of their Video AI. This update includes 3 highlights. Starlight Mini, the first video-enhanced diffusion model that supports local rendering. Powerful real-time export preview function. And professional-level EXR format support. In today's video, I will take you through an in-depth experience of Topaz Video AI 7.0 and share the actual export effects and usage experience. First, open Topaz Video AI 7.0 and import the video you want to process. Next, select the Starlight Mini model and set the output resolution you want. It supports up to 4K export. This model currently has few setting options, so we can just click Export. The real-time preview function is very powerful. You can view the effect in real time during the export process. If you are not satisfied, you can cancel it at any time, which greatly improves the operation efficiency. I use an NVIDIA 4070 graphics card. Since Starlight Mini is a first-generation model, the conversion speed is relatively slow, and 0 FPS often occurs. This is the conversion time I captured. It took a full 8 hours to convert a 30-second video, which is indeed a bit slow. You can clearly see that the Topaz enhancement is amazing. The quality is significantly improved compared to the original video. Zooming in 200% to see the detail on the billboard, the Starlight Mini is simply amazing. Moreover, the enhanced video achieves an excellent balance between texture fineness and picture softness, and the overall effect is excellent. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a message in the comment area and we can communicate together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.